Welcome to New Car 2. Today we're diving into pure adrenaline on wheels. This is the Brabus GLS800. Not just another GLS, this is a beast. Refined and unleashed by Brabus for those who want it all. Luxury, power, and presence. Buckle up. Let's go. Brabus takes the standard Mercedes GLS and turns it into something truly bold. A carbon grille, massive air intakes, Brabus Monoblock wheels up to 24 inches, and widened fenders, everything screams authority. The signature Brabus logo replaces the Mercedes star, and carbon fiber accents flow throughout the body. It's muscular, aggressive, and looks ready to dominate any road. Inside, the GLS800 is a luxury lounge with attitude. Premium leather, Alcantara, contrast stitching, and Brabus branding on the seats, steering wheel, and even the floor mats. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring the MBUX multimedia system. Rear passengers get first-class treatment, individual seats, ventilation, heating, massage functions. Opt for the 4-seat layout, and the rear transforms into a true VIP lounge. Under the hood, a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 tuned by Brabus to deliver 800 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 km/h comes in just around 4.5 seconds. For a luxury SUV of this size, that's insane. Top speed is electronically limited to 280 km/h. But what really matters is the way it drives. Raw, confident, and thrilling. The upgraded suspension, exhaust, and braking systems bring the whole experience together. And yes, the sound is pure fire. You get everything. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, auto parking, night vision, head-up display, and intelligent navigation. Plus, remote control of features via smartphone. It's tech-packed and safe. The Brabus GLS800 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's your limo, your sports car, your off-roader, all in one. Made for those who accept no compromises. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe to New Car 2, and drop a comment. Which Brabus model should we feature next? See you in the next one.